How to fix Cash App stock dividend not showing in account. So first thing first guys, since I don't have an access to create cash account in my reason, I'll be using screenshot and official information from Cash to walk you through the process. Now to fix Cash App stock dividend which is not showing in account, the first thing what you can do is check the payout schedules, just confirm the exact official payment date set by the company, as dividends can take 1 to 3 business days to process and show up in your activity feed after the payable date. Now if the dividend reinvesting is toggled on in your Cash App investing settings, your payout goes directly toward purchasing more fractional shares of that stock instead of adding to your spendable cash balance. So just toggle this off if you prefer cash. Now the next thing what you can do is inspect activity feed. Open the Cash App on your device, then log into your account. Now tap the clock or activity icon located in the bottom right corner of your home screen to search for recent credits or stock trade update logs. The next what you can do is verify the monthly statements. Just access your official investment records by going to your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap documents and then go to account statements to confirm whether the dividend was officially credited to your ledger. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.